It's Melissa Thompson with your Key to Memphis and Crye-Leike Realtors, and today I just want to give you the monthly market report for the month of November. Stay tuned and we'll be right back. Okay, so welcome back. Well, in November of this year, it's the only time, the third time actually of 2017 that the home prices did not increase. We said increase month after month, except for this month as well. Not anything bad, just not showing much of an increase compared, but we've still had a great increase over the whole year. The number of homes sold were up, though, 4%, so that's good. We're still seeing low inventory, but homes are still moving. And through the first 11 months of this year, the number of home sales recorded are at 5%, which is good. So again, it's still good. And once again, I've attached the Chandler report on here so you can see the different municipalities to see where you fit in and to see what the prices are doing and the inventory levels as well. Again, I'm here to drill down to your specific subdivision, outside the municipality so you can see how it's doing and how it's improving to see if it makes sense for you right now too, or if you're just curious, I'm happy to send that way. And comparing 2017 to 2016, that's why you're seeing some red in the municipality report as well. So just remember that. And this specific one is just for the month too. So it's just drilled down and that's where the difference is. So again, if you have any questions about that, we're still seeing some good activity. Interest rates are still good. We'd love to talk to you in any way. So just let us know. Reach out. The number is 901-729-9526. Thanks so much. Have a great day.